Avocado banana mash. A simple and nutritious option for your baby is an avocado banana mash. Mash a ripe avocado and a banana together until smooth. Avocado provides healthy fats essential for brain development, while banana adds natural sweetness and potassium. Sweet potato puree. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals. Peel, chop, and steam sweet potatoes until tender. Blend them into a smooth puree. This dish is rich in beta-carotene, promoting your baby's vision and immune system. Oatmeal with blueberries. Cook baby-friendly oatmeal and mix in fresh or frozen blueberries. Oats are a great source of fiber, while blueberries are rich in antioxidants. This hearty breakfast will keep your baby full and provide essential nutrients. Spinach and apple puree. Steam fresh spinach and blend it with peeled and chopped apples. This combination introduces iron from spinach and natural sweetness from apples, contributing to your baby's overall growth and development. Quinoa and vegetable medley. Cook quinoa and mix it with finely chopped, steamed vegetables like carrots, peas, and broccoli. Quinoa is a complete protein, and the colorful vegetables provide a variety of vitamins and minerals crucial for your baby's health. Yogurt parfait with mango. Layer plain, full-fat yogurt with pured mango for a delicious and nutritious snack. Yogurt offers biorobotics for a healthy gut, and mango provides vitamins A and C, supporting immune function. Chickpea and carrot patties. Mash chickpeas and mix them with grated carrots. Form small patties and lightly cook them. Chickpeas are a good source of protein, and carrots add a natural sweetness along with beta-carotene. Broccoli and cheese muffins. Steam broccoli and blend it into a puree. Mix the puree into a batter with grated cheese and bake into muffins. Broccoli offers essential nutrients like folate and calcium, while cheese adds healthy fats for brain development. Pumpkin and lentil stew. Combine cooked lentils with pured pumpkin for a hearty stew. Lentils are rich in protein and iron, while pumpkin provides a dose of vitamin A. This dish is both nutritious and comforting for your little one. Pear and rice pudding. Cook rice until soft and mix it with pured ripe pears. This sweet and soothing dessert offers carbohydrates for energy from rice and the natural sweetness of pears without added sugars.